GMAT is changing. So we had an old version of GMAT and now we will be having a new version of GMAT where the new version actually looks good. So something like these headphones. So I had the old version and now I have the new version and the new version looks good. But then the old version also had some really good things for it. So let's discuss the changes that are happening. And yeah, this video is not sponsored by any of these headphone companies. We need sponsors for this video. Now in the current version of GMAT, there is no writing assessment. So in the older version, there used to be an extra thing which was a writing section. So it was not completely MCQ based. Now in the newer version, there is nothing like that. And it is all good. We just have 3 sections. One is quantitative reasoning, second one is verbal reasoning, third one is integrated reasoning. Now the funniest thing is, in the older version, you had quantitative reasoning for 62 minutes, verbal reasoning for 65 minutes and integrated reasoning for 30 minutes. It is now said that the newer version will have all these sections for 45 minutes. So one thing that we hated in the older version, which is now fixed in the new version, is that there is no essay. Now another problem with the older version of GMAT was there is no flexibility. I mean, if I do question number 24, then I have to go to question number 25. What if I missed question number 23 or what if I wanted to change my question number 23? That's not possible. No flexibility. Oh. But with the newer GMAT, you have flexibility. I mean, let's suppose you give question number 5 and you think that your question number 4 was wrong. So you can go back and do question number 4 also. So there is still confusion whether it will be only for 3 questions or you can go to any question, but at least for 3 questions, it is done that you can go back and change those answers. So let's suppose you did question number 4, then you can change 3, 2, 1. Let's suppose you did question number 20, then you can change 19, 18, 17. That's first argument. And the second argument says that you can change anything, but this is not completely confirmed till now. In the newer GMAT, a new data insight section will be added. You do not know what it does. You do not know how they use it, but they will be using it and you would have no idea where that question is, but they will be using it for the future tests. So that doesn't bother you in any way, but then yeah, just know that they are checking your tests and improving the tests every day. Okay, let's talk about things that you cannot see and are still not official. So there is a speculation that there will be approximately 22 verbal questions, maybe 11 for CR, 11 for RC, and the section would be for 45 minutes. 23 to 24 quant section, because the section is just for 45 minutes, we cannot have more than 23 to 25 questions for quants. In the older GMAT, we had like complete circles, but in the newer GMAT, these are not circles, these look like oval. Oh, what I mean to say is, so in the older version, we had geometry, but now when I look at the newer GMAT and I look at the original readings and Amazon screenshots, I cannot see geometry there. So that means probably they are removing geometry completely. So now probably this thing is coming in 2024. So till then you will have to wait. There is no official date by when it is coming, but it seems like whenever it does, it would be a good thing for students only, because I absolutely hated the fact that I had to write. I wanted a multiple choice completely. My paper should have been multiple choice. So that's a good thing for me. And if you're planning to go for GMAT, this is the resource that will give you free GMAT material. And yeah, please hit the like and subscribe button, and please, no comments about the headphones. Only good comments about the headphones. If you have bad comments, please don't, because this